Okay, here we are on the beautiful Treasure Coast for the News Flash business video. It's Joey's Outback Adventures right here beside the Home Depot. Let's take a tour today and show you how Joey's is.
Good day, mates. Welcome to Joey's Outback Adventures in Jensen Beach. We're actually right next to the Home Depot Plaza in Jensen Beach Boulevard, right after the Treasure Coast Mall and the Square One Plaza. I can't wait to show you what we have in store. This is not only for kids, but we also have special features for adults as well. Welcome, come on in. It's our sports adrenaline zone. It has basketball, soccer, and volleyball. The kids love it. Follow me this way for the food. Joey's Outback Adventures has a full-service cafe and kitchen. We're serving up the best choices for kids and adults. Healthy options and things that kids would love. Chicken nuggets, pizzas, hot dogs, they love it all. Come follow me this way. Joey's Outback Adventures in Jensen Beach also has a full working arcade with 21 arcade systems. This is our redemption area where we have toys featured all here. The kids love it. It's one of our favorite features. Not only do we have amazing things for kids, but we have awesome options for adults. We serve beer and wine as well. Come follow me this way. Our Parents Lounge is one of the favorites. Free Wi-Fi, massage chairs, big screen TVs featuring sports programs or your favorites. This is one of the options parents love. Follow me this way. All day. Come follow me this way and I'll show you our koala corner. This is our koala corner featuring learning, reading, playing for kids under 4. They also have their very own inflatable. We encourage parents to be with their children, and if they need to assist them, absolutely, feel free to do so. Amazing to show you. It's our parties. We feature birthday parties that are out of this world. Follow me and we'll go see one of our party rooms now. Hey, hi, Joey's here. Awesome, Joey, come on, let's go into one of the party rooms. At Joey's Outback Adventures in Jensen Beach, we have birthday parties that will fit anyone's need. And we don't want parents to work hard. We get to do the setup, we can serve, and we can go ahead and play all day. You have your own host to help you. You can have great food menu options, as well as, hi guys! All the kids love it in our birthday parties. Come on, Joey, we're so excited to have you. Joey's Outback Adventures is fun for everyone. We're so excited to have you. You can visit us at joeysoutback.com or even on our social media sites, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. We would love to hear from you. You can schedule a birthday party online or call us at Joey's Outback.